I Balusha welcome you English HSC World YouTube channel. Let's begin with letter writing. Today we begin with informal letter. It's a compulsory topic from standard 5 to 12. Now it's a small request to everyone viewers. Subscribe our E-English HSC World YouTube channel to get new video notification. I already uploaded writing skill of report writing and email writing. You will get a link of this in my description box, so go through it. Now what is letter? Now tell me friends, how do I communicate with you? Yes, now through phone, through internet, to social media. But what is the printing media of sending message to one another? So it is a letter. Now see the what is letter mean. What is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another. What is medium? Through medium. Which is medium? Yes, medium is a printing or a paper. Yes. Classification of letters. Letters are broadly classified as a formal letter and informal letter. Today we are going to learn informal letter. So how to write informal letter? First of all, I tell you what is informal letter mean. Informal letter is a letter written to parents, family, friends and colleagues. Secondly, why informal letter? It's a very easy. Why it's a very easy? Because it has no so many rules we supposed to follow while writing the letter. Now let's learn how to write an informal letter. Now this is the format of writing informal letter. Now address of the sender. Here I will write my address, date, today's date. Why today's date? It is necessary to write today's date because the recipient should know at which date you return this letter. उसको पता होना चाहिए आपने कौन से डेट पे उसको मैसेज लेटर लिखा है या मैसेज भेजा है. Then salutation, opening paragraph, main body, concluding paragraph, complimentary clause, signature and the name. This is what format of writing letter. All right, and this is what the let's begin one structured format of informal letter. Here your address in the first to the left side of your page. Then write the date, क्योंकि जिसको आप लेटर भेज रहे हो उसको पता होना चाहिए कि आपने कौन से डेट पे वो लेटर लिखा है. Then begin with the salutation. Salutation can be dear friend, hi robot. In that way, dear father, if you are writing letter to your father. And then the beginning. While the beginning opening of the letter, it should be a pleasant statement. Suppose you are writing missing your friend and he is not taking your phone call. How will write, hi, hello, how are you? I am trying to contact you long ago. Why your not phone is connecting? That way it's informal, so no bond to the rules we have to follow. Then the main content. Now here is very important. We have to write in descriptive way detail about the main content in second paragraph. And then conclusion. Here while the concluding paragraph, here we have to conclude with some good line with regard. Just wanted to let you know, I hope you will attend my birthday party. In that way you have to conclude the paragraph. Now here while the complimentary clause. In a complimentary clause, you can write yours lovingly, yours loving son, yours loving daughters, love, and write your name. This is what the simple structure of writing informal letter. And we have to follow the question of informal letter in the examination if it arises in the writing skill section, because it's get good marks. And if you do follow all the structure of letter writing, format of letter writing, then don't worry about scrapping your mark in the examination. And now Now see, informal letter, as I told you, letter written to the friend. But what should be the reason writing to the friend? Letter about any place you visited. You wanted to tell your friends about your journey. Letter about how you celebrated your birthday. Letter about your new school. Letter about congratulating on standing first in class. Now same, we're writing the letter to the letter to family types, to relatives. What about your well-being, about getting selected in quiz competition, about your life in your hostel, if you staying in hostel, about getting good percentage in the examination. This is what the reason of the letter writing or formal. Now let's begin with some questions, so you will get the clear idea how to write informal letter. Write a letter to your friend congratulating her on his her success in class 12 board examination. Now see this letter here, as I told you, format in the letter, write your address with the date. See, while putting the date, just letter in proper date format. This is what the proper date format. See, don't use this format, as this is not the this is improper. It will be not give you marks. This is the proper date format while writing any formal, informal, semi-formal letter. Okay, now see, right here your address. आपका यहाँ पे एड्रेस लिखना है विद डेट, प्रॉपर आपको फॉलो करना है. देन राइट dear friend, what you are going to write. Then see the letter. My happiness knew no bounds when I got to know that you have topped your school and achieved your dream. I felt so pleased that I wish and I were there to congratulate you personally. See here, while opening up the statement, now it's just an informal letter. With love, with care, you writing to your known person. So he just telling about how उसको किस तरह से उसको अच्छा लगा उसका सक्सेस देख के. Then in the middle paragraph, descriptively written how about the result proved that hard work, determination and perseverance bring good result. You were so laborious and passionate about it. I know you were very nervous too, but I was always very confident that you would come. I apologize that I couldn't even attend the celebration party despite my wishes. Hope to you see you soon. Please be encouraged and continue your hard work. Your future is very bright. My parents and elder sisters have sent lots of love and heartiest congratulations with lots of love and wishes. Your lovingly, Balusha. Here see, dear friends, see all the formalities and format of informal letter we have follow here. Now see, here your address, date, the salutation should be pleasant greeting. Already I had an introduction, main content, and see, just go through our letter. You will see all the details here. Here is my address, then pleasant salutation with pleasant greeting, and then the first para, then in descriptive second paragraph, then concluding para, then complimentary close. Right, this is what the letter writing. It's very easy, but for getting good marks we have to follow all the details. आपको अच्छे मार्क्स चाहिए एग्जाम में, तो आपको ये फॉर्मेट फॉलो करना ही पड़ेगा. Now see the second question. Write a letter to your friend Rudra inviting him to spend this summer vacation at your place in Mumbai. Your Saksham do not exceed 120 to 150 words. Now see the letter here. Again here the address with date. Dear Rudra, it's been a while since I have heard from you where you have been. I hope this letter finds you in the best of your health. This is what the beginning. Yes, right. This is now detail about the plan. As summer is approaching, I was thinking if we could spend the summer break together at my place in Mumbai. I will introduce you to all my friends and close relatives. I will give you a city tour as well. We will spend some quality time in the afternoon near the seashore to add cherry on the cake. The weather here is very pleasant during those days and due to sea winds. I am excited even at the thought of you and I spending summer together after so long, and I have to tell you a lot of things and expect for the same from you. Give my regards to auntie and uncle. Hope to see you soon, and yours lovingly, Sakshi or the Saksham. Now see here, dear friends, beginning right with your address, then here the salutation and the first paragraph with pleasant greeting, and the descriptive in the second paragraph, concluding paragraph, and yes, the complimentary close. Yes, do you got? See, we will have one more example of letter writing. Just go through it. Write a letter to your friend congratulating him for his job offer in about 120 words and 150 words. He just graduated from college. Just go through this letter. If you you can take a screenshot of this letter also. This is the same as the first letter I told you. Here he is congratulating about his success and because of he got the job. This is all the beginning. Then the salutation. Then first paragraph, second para, then concluding para, and the complimentary close. Just take a screenshot. Friend, this is just apology letter from daughter and son to his dad, and just take the screenshot. It's very fantastic. When something wrong did by us, then how should we apologize to you and the parents? So this is best example. My dear friends, we have just I told you description box there is link. Go through it and download, maybe watch the videos, go through it. If you have any queries regarding this letter writing, even any writing skill, just give me the feedback, so we will come with the new topic as you suggested me. And last, like, share, subscribe and comment our e-English HSCL YouTube channel. Follow me Telegram, YouTube, Twitter, and yes, it's a time to bye bye.